Hello and welcome to our Stowe Talks How-To series. In this video we will look at the role of Form D81. Form D81 is a compulsory form to be submitted to the court alongside your draft financial consent order, as it sets out all of the financial information that the settlement reach is based on. Your financial consent order is the agreement you and your ex-spouse have come to about the division of your finances on divorce. This draft order costs £60 to submit to the court at the time of this video. It must be accompanied by Form D81, as without this key legal document, the court cannot assess the viability of your consent order. Not submitting the form would cause significant delays, as your consent order will be returned to you unapproved and need to be resubmitted with a statement of information accompanying it. The form provides the court with information and evidence to create a clear and accurate picture of your and your ex-spouse's financial situation at the time of divorce, detailing each person's assets including property, savings, pensions and debts, as well as your income. It asks questions about any future plans which may affect your financial situation. For example, where you plan to live and where any dependent children will live. However, Form D81 is distinct from the Form E, which you may have completed as part of your financial disclosure, because it is a chance to explain the decisions you have come to in your draft consent order. It is important to seek expert legal advice when filling in this form, as it is a complicated document which requires detailed financial information from both you and your ex. It is preferable that you complete the document jointly. If this is impossible, you'll need to provide a reason why, for example, that the relationship was abusive. The form is divided into sections. The first is information gathering and will ask for key dates such as your birth date, your wedding date, and the date of separation. Next, you will need to provide information about your current financial situation, such as your capital, your income, cash funds, and pension values. This includes how much equity is in your home, which is the current value of the property minus any mortgage. You will also need to note any other debts or liabilities. The third section asks about the future. What will your financial situation be if your consent order is approved? You have the opportunity here to explain your agreement. Importantly, you'll also need to note the potential outcomes for any dependent children. The end of the form is a statement of truth, which declares that the information you have provided is true and complete to the best of your knowledge. Whilst you can fill in this form yourself, seeking legal advice will ensure that you complete the form correctly and all relevant factors are included.